Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream cold coffee. First, gather your essential ingredients: freshly brewed coffee, your favorite ice cream, some milk, and a sweetener of your choice. It's crucial to brew your coffee strong and then let it cool down completely before you proceed. This ensures the best flavor and texture for your delicious cold coffee creation. Now, it's time to blend everything together for that perfect creamy texture. Carefully pour your cooled coffee, milk, ice cream, and any sweetener into a blender. Blend these ingredients until they are completely smooth and reach your desired consistency. Feel free to customize by adding a dash of chocolate syrup or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra layer of flavor. Once blended to perfection, it's time to serve your delightful ice cream cold coffee. Pour the creamy mixture into a tall glass, ready for enjoyment. For an extra special touch, you can garnish it with a swirl of whipped cream, a drizzle of your favorite syrup, or even some chocolate shavings. Sip and savor this wonderfully refreshing treat immediately. For the absolute best ice cream cold coffee, always start with high-quality coffee beans. It truly makes a difference in flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of ice cream, like coffee or caramel, and various milks, such as almond or oat, to find your perfect combination. Also, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.